just woke up. I just woke up. Hi. Is it covered today? No. No. I just woke up. I feel... I know. I just woke up. That's it. That's the whole life. I just woke up. How was your sleep? Good. Pero I still need more sleep. I still need... Wow! Guys, look at this. Alam mo, I'm gonna attempt mag-brush ng hair niya. That's what I'm gonna do. Iba-brush ko yung hair niya. Kasi parang sobrang... Wait lang. So focused. So focused. So focused. Oh, diba? Ay, wait. Why is it like a mohawk na? Wait lang. How do you... Steady. Ba't wala? Hindi pwede maging... Wait. Okay. Yeah, I don't know where he's looking at. This is, anong tawag sa part na to? Mid part? Or like, Kimpi? This is Kimpi. Hindi, ang pangit! Paano ko nangyari mag-haircut to? Bruh, hirap naman maging lalaki. Pag naging lalaki, this is all you got? If you have a big forehead? Oh no! If you have a big forehead, wala na, GG's na guys. Tapos paano pagpanot? Oh no! Okay, hold on. Anong tawag sa, ng haircut na to? Jejemon. Oh, actually, that kind of low-key looks good. Oh, diba? Oh, you better hide your girl. Better hide your girl, bruh. Bibble is on this app. This is Bibble. Siya yung character sa Barbie that sounds like... That's how he sounds like. And he looks like the son of the guy from Monsters Incorporated. Monsters Inc. Si Sully. Pero this is not mini Sully. This is Bibble. B-I-B-B-L-E. And sa Fairytopia siya ng Barbie. And I like how he sounds like. You know? Eepee poof! Ganon siya. Ganon yung sound niya. This is better. This is better than Labubu, bro. This is better than Labubu. Abdul? No. Wait lang. I'm still trying to figure out kung ano yung pwede niyang hairstyle. It could be this. Pwede ganyan. Pwede ganyan. Look at that wolf. Oh, wait pa V. It's a V. His wings are not, hindi ganyan yung wings niya. See, he was a fairy. He's a fairy. So yeah, this is a V cut, yeah. Kunwari sabihin mo sa barber mo, ito ito, I want blonde, tapos gawin mong purple, violet, I don't care. And then pa V, and then, oy, he looks good. No, this is not a hear me out or whatever. Ano lang, like parang yung hair niya is like, yo, better than Labubu. Ano pa yung isa? Ano pa yung isa? Sheesh, no, naglalagas yung buhok niya, baka mapanot to. Hala ka. Pag to napanot, nana. You look like that. Slow motion. Pero instead, you look... No. I'm just saying. Okay. I'm still trying to like give him ponytail. Bro, saan to nabili? Na, secret, oh, malupit. Meron din siyang pakpak. Pero hindi pantay. So he flies like this. Yeah, and then he has a little toe, so cutie! Tapos tingnan mo naman, syempre, di ba? May kamay yan. Yung tega niya ito, may butas po. Pwede mong kalikutin. Brother, ang cute! Ang cute talaga. Ganyan manggigil eh. Ganyan na manggigil. Nana, ako tawag sa akin hair theory. Sa kanya, ganito. What the fuck? Nah, you're still cute. You're still cute. Even though your wings are like that, you're still cute. Yes. I just wanna throw Bibble around. Like, I just wanna, my hair. What I mean? Oh, we're the same. Okay. I got flowers. This is not La Fufu. This is La Bibble. Okay, I got a few, I have a flowers. Kung makikita nyo sa IG ko, yeah, I got flowers. Hi, dapat wings ng modest na lang. I see what you mean. Pero tignan mo, aayusin ko to. Kasi nakabaliktot yung niya, yung wings niya. So, tatanggalin ko to like, and then gagalanin ko. Yeah. Asa? Ganyan dapat. Ganyan yung wings niya. Diba? Yeah, he is a bit messy in terms of hairstyling, but he will do. Hindi siya kaya magkaroon ng keychain. Imagine you have a tote bag, tapos ganyan si Bibble. Oh, ang ganda, bra. Burst fade. Bruh, this is he makes me happy. This stuffed toy that doesn't speak, that looks like Mike Mazowski. Oh no, sino ba to? Sully, he makes me super happy. Okay, it's so cute eh. Sige, dito na lang siya sa likod. Yeah, hi guys. Enough of Bibble. Yeah, enough of him. Enough. He can fit in here. Okay, I did live kasi, he looks like Jake from Adventure Time. Si Jake, yung nilalagay ni Finn sa bulsa niya. Yeah! Yeah! Okay, this is so cute talaga. I'm gonna Wait, ang sakit. Alright, so, today, nag-live ako because I wanted to flex some things. Cute naman ang sweater mo, may bulsa, may yellow. Huh? May bulsa, may yellow pa ba para dyan? Yellow? Yellow basket? No, this is given to me. Both of these are given to me. I'm gonna burp. Ay, anyway, yellow basket na. Wala. Sorry. Ano height mo? I am 5'2". 5'2". Hello from Malaysia. Alam mo, kayang-kaya ko na magmalay. Malay. I forgot, but I watched it with my sisters. Yes, it is cool. Ang comfy naman ng sweater mo, AB. Thank you! Bro, since kina-compliment mo yung sweater ko, ipipin kita. Yan. Ay, I'm gonna pin you. Bro, I feel so tired. I feel tired. I feel like I'm gonna get sick. Yeah, I feel like I'm gonna get sick. Ay. Turn around. Since when are you smoking now? Alam mo, I'm just gonna... I'm just gonna chill, you know? So pangit. Wait. We're still trying to get his hairstyle ready. No. Had a couple minutes and it really feels like back on your sofa. Of course I still care. Love's never wasted when it should. Bruh. I can't. This hair is just everywhere. We have a couple minutes and yeah, cute talaga neto. Oh my god. Pwede ba kunin niyo na lang to? Like, just take it away from me. Just take it away. Well, pero I will put this on my live more often so that you can see Bibble from time to time. Yeah. Wait, ano sabi? Wow, still beautiful as the first time I saw you. Thank you. Oh my gosh! Oh, I so Hair theory ba to? Sige. Hair theory? I don't like. Ang pinaka gusto ko sa hair theory ko is this hairstyle. Of course, this is the default. Okay, papakita ko sa'yo. So, ito yung default. Yan. Syempre, it's a bit wavy. I was born with curly hair. And then, I was like, ang pangit ng buhok ko. Like, ganyan lang. So, I tried to do different hairstyles. So, ang pinaka gusto kong hairstyle is yung ito, space buns. And then also this, yung ganyan. Kasi wala, it has some curls in here. So, maganda siya kapag ganyan. Pero, ang pinakaganda is tong space bun. Just imagine, half of my face, this one, compared to this one, I look like Chun-Li. Or like yung sa Tekken 7, si Jose Jose, the girl fighter with buns. And then, syempre, I have a round face. Ang laki ng cheek ko. So, I have to like put some hairs on here to carve my face out. Like, you know what I mean? Just to get, you don't want to look like Bibble, you know? Bibble is like, perfect. I'm perfect. Cute! I can never hate on you. You're so cute. Okay, so, ano what I was saying? Yeah. And then, I used to have a short hair. Just imagine, this is the short hair, and may ganyan still. There's this thing still. And then, nakaganyan na. Yeah. And then, my favorite hairstyle will probably a half up. Ano yung half up, Abby? Okay, show ko na lang sa'yo kasi gusto nyo lang makita. Ay, bibigay ko na lang sa'yo. So like, you have middle part, use this if you're gay, if you're trans, if you're lesbian with long hair, if you're a man with long hair, use this, use that. It's just simple. Kahit wala kang daliring ganyan, ganyan, it doesn't matter. Just use whatever finger that you like. And then, syempre, you don't want to look like a tita, diba? This looks like a tita. Oh, shit. Wait. Bigyan ko kayo ng style. Right. This is, oh shit. Yan. Pero give some depth, diba? Give it a depth. What do you mean depth? Johnny Depp? No. Like, kasi nga, circle yung mukha ko, diba? Like, siopaw. You know what I mean? I have a big cheekbone. I have a big cheekbone here. You don't want that. So, syempre. Oy! Dito malaki. Just for information, this is AirPods. Okay? Ay, gano'n. Laki nga, no? Laki ng forehead ko. So, ganyan lang. Ganyan. And then, I like to do the little thing here. Like, get a piece of hair. And then, wala lang. Nema ako eh. I like to do this. I just like a little extra pieces on my hair hanging. And then sometimes it would curl up like that. It would look so nice. Sa mga ganyan. Pero this one is like, this one I use for dates. Yung hairstyle na ganito. Pero sometimes when I just want to chill, I just let it hang lang. I let it hang. I let it run free. I have so much volume on my hair. Like, sobrang volume ng hair ko. I feel like pag matutulog ako, I just do it like this. I just sleep like this. And the next morning, it's everywhere. Like, oh, it's still like that. Still, like, it's like that. This is literally how I look like in the morning, yung hair ko. What's for breakfast? May cereal ba tayo? May siningag ba tayo? Anong oras na? Iihi mo na ako. Ganon. Pero syempre, you gotta look decent. Oh, no. You gotta look decent. I used to have I used to straight my hair every day back in school. Kasi yun daw yung standard ng beauty. So, every morning I try to wake up around 4 a.m. Kasi yung klase sa Pilipinas, it was like 5 to 6. 5 o'clock dati. Imagine, like going to school, elementary to high school, it's 5 o'clock that you have to be there, and then 6 o'clock magsistart. Ngayon, in-adjust na nila, it's 7. Pero sa amin dati, what the heck? It was 5 to 6 o'clock sharp, you know? So like, I had to wake up at least an hour early to get done. Parang maliligo ako. It's mandatory, maliligo ako. And then, I'm like, oh shit, my hair's wet. So like, hair blow, hair dry. And then, syempre, ang kapal ng mukha ko, kapal ng buhok ko. How am I gonna straight this early in the morning? Tapos ganun pa yung mata ko. Like, every morning, I swear. Every morning. Kasi, sinasabi lang nila, yun, sa girls. Yun daw yung beauty standards before. So, I'm like, I don't care anymore. So, yung mga nasa senior high school na ako, or like grade 10, grade 11, grade 12, first year, second year, third, fourth, I'm like, I just go around the school looking like this. Like, wala na akong pake. So, I kinda knew that I was, parang nag-fit in ako maging maganda. I can be my own maganda naman. Yeah, so like, oh, yeah, bruh. Pero ngayon, I don't like following rules na. Pero I will judge you if pangit kilay mo. And I will judge you if yung pilik mata mo sa mata, hindi pantay. Like, parang kitang-kita yung false eyelashes mo, nagsistick na dyan. Please! I will judge you sa girls if you're trying to ask for my advice, pero hindi mo gagawin. Like, I mean, you're trying to ask advice. Do you want me to compliment you or something? No. I'ma tell you the real deal. Like, there's this women, sinabi sa akin niya na, ay, can you tell me how I look like if this, ganyan. I tell her straight na hindi babagay sa kanya. Even though you can try, the hair will grow back, pero hindi papantay, hindi bagay sa kanya. Oh, no! Filipino mothers, kapag meron silang anak na lalaki, lalagyan nila ng buntot. I don't know why they do that. Like, imagine, pumupunta ako sa grocery store or like sa palengke, may makikita akong bata. May buntot dito. Bakit? Bakit may buntot? Like, nakatali pa, naka-braids pa. Like, why? Tapos ang cute. Ba't may buntot? Bruh. The reason why I live, kasi gusto ko lang mag-chill. I just wanna chill. Chill. And fix Bible's hair. And chill. Also, pag ito sinampo ko, maglalagas yung nito, diba? Kasi want nila na anak na babae. Bruh. Imagine kapag kunwari ako nagkaanak and then I wanted to be boy and then lumabas ng babae. Actually, wala akong standard. Kapag I'm pregnant and then I wanted to be, oh, please be a girl, please be a girl, please be a boy, please be a boy. I don't have a standard when it comes to that. Whatever He gives me, whatever God gives me, I gusto ko. Like, as long, ang gusto ko lang is 5'10", kompleto yung paa, kompleto yung kamay, walang sa utak, walang hindi siya bingi, hindi siya blind, walang sa ganon. Wala, like I just want it to be normal. I don't wanna ask for anything else. I thought you said you wanted 5'10". Huh? Ano yan? 5'10"? Ano yun? Can you give me context on what's your saying? What is that? 5'10"? Children? Oo! 5'10" kids! You're gonna let me be pregnant for 10 years straight? Bro, that is a one Valorant league already. Like, pang ML league ko na yun. 2 team. Actually, 4 lang ba sa, no. 5! Oh shit. Pwede. Dalawang doktor, dalawang engineer, dalawang piloto. Woo! Lawyer. Ano ba? Smoker? No. The fuck, I was just doing this. Ano ba iba? Nurse! Oh my gosh. That is an investment. Yung mga parents ngayon, ginagawa nilang investment yung mga anak nila. Uy, maging sundalo ka para may connections tayo sa government. Okay, ma. Let's just face it. Okay, so, pag nagkaroon ako ng 10 na kids, grabe, 10. Daming laspag. 10! Sheesh! Bakla, tomboy, babae, lalaki. Siguro magkakaroon. So, sa dami kong anak na 10, ganyan, in the future, I might probably have a transgender on my team. Sheesh! Or probably a pansexual too. Asexual too. Bisexual. Oh my God, ang dami nun. Bawasan natin na isa, para 9 na lang, may isa na what? Yuck! Bruh, I'm not hating on you if you're a single dad, single mom, doesn't matter. It's just that I like mine. I like my chicken mine. You know what I mean? Like, I like my chicken nuggets all mine. Like, I don't want, I'm so sorry, but just like, that's my dumplings right there. That's my chickens. You don't want to have the other chickens on your coop. You know what I mean? Hi, AB from Canada. Like, ay nako. If I'm gonna get a kid, syempre only one father. Ayoko magkaroon ng mistake. Ayoko. Lahat ng magiging anak ko planado. Kailangan they're gonna be in a hospital with full medical check, with prepared. Tapos meron silang mga damit, pero like, you know what I mean? They have to be ready. Hindi yung parang, nabuntis ako. Wala tayong budget for my pregnancy. Shit. Oh, that is a turn off right there. You can't expect to have and not be prepared. If you wanna have fun, have caution. There's so many preventives, bro. But like, you're still so stupid. You're stupid. Yeah. So like, I just wanna say that. Pero syempre sasabihin nila, it's a gift. It's a gift from God. Okay? Enjoy your gift. Enjoy your loud gift. Enjoy your money-eating gift. I mean, yeah, they're cute until they cry. Until they run around the house and break something. I guess. I just wanna, parang itutuloy mo talaga yung 10 anak. Why not? If I'm very happy, I might have my chickens. Yeah. I mean, ideal kids. Siguro dalawa lang. Dalawang babae, dalawang lalaki, dalawa lang. It's either dalawang babae, dalawang lalaki, babae-lalaki, lalaki-babae. Yeah. Ayoko nung madami. What the fuck? That is like, you're torturing yourself. Like, what? Imagine. Malolosyang ka dun. Who said I'm gonna take care of my kid? Joke lang! I'm gonna get cancelled. Oh my God, si Hair Theory pa nabuntis daw niya, yung mga babies niya. I swear. Like, pwede bang like, pwede bang may gawin yung asawa ko? Pwede bang may gawin yung mga tao sa paligid ko? I bear to be pregnant for 9 months. Tapos, expect mo ako? Oh my gosh. You expect me? I just don't get it. Kaya maging feminist na lang kayo. Like, imagine, ako, nagagalit na ako kay Bibol. Nagagalit na ako. Like, mabubuntis ka ng 9 months, ikaw pa magpapadede. Ikaw pa magpapalit ng diaper. Ikaw pa magpapakain. Anong ginawa ng lalaki? Anong ginawa ng asawa ko? Exactly. Pay for the thing, pay for it. That's bare minimum. You can pay for my hospitalization, my insurance. You think that's bare minimum? Yeah, kung nasasabihin mo, kami naman yung nagpipay. That's your job. Anak mo to. That's your job. Kung sasabihin mo, hala, kami na nga nagbabayad. Shut the fuck up. Naiinis ako. You expect me to do everything? Damn. Wait. Oh, no. Ay, hindi pwede. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, a little bit curvy on the side. Wait. Cute! Anyways, ang dami nang nabubuntis these days. Oh, shit. Ang dami na rin nagkakasal. I'm like, yo, my age is only 22. Tapos may nakikita ako may kinakasal na 22 rin. And I keep forgetting, ma, kailan ka nga ba na kinasal? 19. Woy. You're like 19. You had your life figured it out. Like, grabe. Fast track. Like, imagine your mother, your father got married by the time they were 18, 19. Hold on. Wait. Pero, oh my God. Tapos ngayon, we're like 20s, 27. Wala pa rin. Wala pa rin. I'm like, is there something wrong with our generation today? Are we slowing our generation today? Sobrang overpopulated na ng Pilipinas, nagkaroon ng COVID. Ngayon, they're just multiplying everything that died, you know? That's why they're daming nabubuntis ngayon, bro. No offense, pero I feel like that's the reason why people are doing shit, bro. Impossible. Ano daw? How are you? I am good. Titanos! Oh no! Oo nga, no? Nahilo na to. Yeah. Pero I really want to have... pero sasabihin sa akin kung ano talaga yung magiging gusto kong gender. There's only 2. Joke lang. I don't wanna, bro, I'm homophobic. Bro, there's only 2. Babae, lalaki. Lalaki. I wanna have a son. Like, I wanna have, kasi I'm a car girl so I want to have, actually, what the fuck? Pwede naman pala maging babae and then maging car girl din siya. It doesn't matter. Parang, na-identify ko yun. What the fuck? Parang, ako din yung sarili ko na, pwede naman maging babae din maging car girl din siya. Pwede naman maging lalaki then maging car boy siya. Doesn't matter. Patingin nga ng hawak mo. Who can say with a rose? Ay, cute na! Sobrang cute! It's so cute. It's so cute. So cute. So cute. So cute. Makonfuse yung bata. No! Whatever a man can do, women can. The only thing that the men can't do, okay, tatagalogin kita kasi nagtagalog ka. Lahat ng ginagawa ng lalaki, kaya ng babae. Pero yung kaya ng babae, hindi kayang gawin ng lalaki. Which is, kaya mo yun? Kaya mo yun? Kaya mo yun? Kaya mo yun? Joke lang, joke lang, joke lang. We're friends. We're friends. It's just that you cannot do one thing. It's just to give birth. Pero sasabihin mo, paano kayo mabubutis ko wala kami? Great. Imagine the earth without having its people. We're the ones who's killing our planet. Oh shit. Sino may kasalanan pa rin? Lalaki pa rin yung may kasalanan. Imagine! I don't wanna be a man-hater, pero I am a man-hater. So like, bibigyan kita. Bibigyan kita scenario. Sasabihin ko sa'yo, hindi ka pwede mabuntis. But then, sasabihin mo sa akin, isasumbat mo sa akin, hindi naman kayo mabubuntis kapag wala kami lalaki. Do you think, sasapawan ko pa yan, like, do you think we wanna get pregnant by your shit? Joke lang. Kasya siya dito. It is what you came to see. Oh, my hair. Okay, I'm gonna entertain questions right now. Okay, go. Just a little bit of questions lang. Like, siguro yung dissenting questions. Game face on. Music? Shit. Okay, music. Ay, wala. Bisaya ka. My mom is Bisaya. Bisaya si mommy. Tapos yung mga words na sinasabi niya, it was like, ano yung trending ngayon? Ngani. Yeah, I don't know what that means. Kaon. Ay, ako nakalimutan ko na. Di ko na alam. Ano pa bang Bisaya pwede? I forgot eh. Pag nagagalit siya, she's spitting facts, bro. Like, break it down. Like, just, di ko maintindihan. I'ma be like on her brain, like, Tagalog, English na lang, English. Pero, nakakaintindi ako sa kanya. Kasi, wait, let me search nga Bisaya words na sinasabi niya. Ayun! Kapag sinasabi niya sa akin, ay, tubig nga palihog. Like, ganun. Ayan! Ampot sa mo. Yan. Yung ba ganyan. Abi! Ampot sa mo. Abi! Ay! Abi! Palihog! Abi! Nanan pa ba? Kins? Like, pag may pinapakita ako sa kanya na friends, sabi niya, Kinsa? Kinse? I don't know that. And then, pag sinasabi ko sa kanya, Mami, mayroon akong kakilala, taga-school. So, sasabihin niya, Kinsa? Sino ta? Like, ta? What is that ta? And then, basta, she always tells me to say nice words. Like, palihog, kaun, pag may guest, she always tells me to say that to the people around me. Like, sabay ka na kumain sa amin. Kain ka. Tapos sabihin, lagi opo. And then palihog, always. Yun ang na ko. And then yung mga mura, yung mga mura. Hindi ko na alam eh. Mga kaunta. Oh, yan. Akala ko dati kakanta ako. Sabi ni mama, kaunta. I was like, ha. I thought it was kanta, bro. I'm still learning. My lola is Bisaya. My lolo is Bisaya from Rojas. My mother is from Bisaya. Rojas too. My dad is also Bisaya. Mindoro. I don't know if they're Bisaya there, pero they speak Bisaya. They try to do the nene, jojo I forgot. Yan. Ay, bawal ko yan sabihin dito. Pag sinabi ko yan dito, yung giatay, feeling ko masaslap ako ni mama. Ganyan, no? Uy, grabe. Tapos, alam mo, dati, before I was so, bra. I heard before, unsa. Ano yung unsa? What's kapo? Ayoko na magbisaya. Hindi ko nga alam. Parang you're just doing gibberish words. Unsa. Unsa. The fuck. Unsa the fuck, bro. Binibigyan niyo ako ng words eh. So, pag sabi, unsa the fuck, bro. What the fuck? Okay, kung meaning ng unsa is what? Pwede ko sabihin yung unsa gawa mo today. Oh, di ba? Parang just saying, what are you doing today? Unsa gawa mo today? Oh, that's so konyo. Konyo. Like, bisa konyo. Unsa gawa mo today? Ano yung accent? Bigyan accent. Unsa. I don't know how. Maybe. I'm sorry. I may be a little bit pero wala akong accents of Tagalog or accents sa Bisaya. I don't know how they sound like. Parang sinasabi niyo dapat may accent yung Bisaya and it's supposed to be bad. Unsa, ganon? Bruh, no. You're not gonna cancel me. That's not gonna cancel. Paano mo sabihin sa Bisaya na hindi. Actually, pwede. Wait nga lang, bang wala, okay. Search ako. Mag-search ako. Oh, meron dito. Maayong buntag. Maayong? Or, maayong. Maayong? I don't know, Amping. Oh, Amping says goodbye. Amping. Bye! Okay, yun yung bibigay ko. Kamusta? Siyempre, kamusta is also Tagalog. Maayo naman ko. Ikaw. Bakit Raman? Pwede namang naman. Raman? Okay, Raman ko. Ikaw. Oh, may unsa. Unsa imo ngalan. Ngalang? Unsa. What is imo? Is imo like, ang akong ngalan. Meron ditong example. Ang akong ngalan si Abby. Oh! Nagpuyo ko. What's a puyo? Puyo means yung puyo dito, di ba? Puyo. What is that? Kasi Tagalog, puyo, di ba? Pag sinabing puyo. Puyo. Nagpuyo ko. I live! Nagpuyo ko sa Quezon City. Nagpuyo ko sa Quezon City. Taga QC. Nagpuyo ko sa so nagpuyo ko sa okay, it's the same. Nalipay ko makailang mo. Okay. Dapat dapat diretso. Nalipay kong makailan. Nalipay kong dapat genuine, dapat nalipay kong makaila Nemo, Finding Nemo. salamat. Syempre, salamat. I know that. Syempre, salamat. I use salamat. Daghang salamat. Let's like, thank you very much. Oh, di ba alam ko? Wala rato. Ha? Kaya pala sinasabi nila sa akin, wala dun sa Pangasinan. Pero like, Pangasinan is not Bisaya. Like, palihog. Yan, I know that. That's what my mom taught me, palihog. Kasi pag pumunta kami ng Bisaya, sabihin nila, oy, maging respeto kayo ha, respeto kayo. Magpalihog kayo. Okay. Pasaylo ako. Pwede mangutang? Pwedeng mangutang? Sheesh. Ay, mangutana. Bakala ko mangutang. Mangutana. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm so sorry. Kala ko mangutang. Pwede mangutana. Mangutana. Pwede mangutang. Oo, dili. Oh, dili. Dili na ako Bisaya at unsa the fuck. Kani. Oh, this. Kani. Kana. Nina. Kani. Kana. Tagpila. Alam ko to. Feeling ko naisip na pumunta kami dati ng Divisoria noon. Lucky Chinatown. Tapos bumili kami ng madaming pang giveaway sa pamaskong handog. Tapos sabi ni Mama, tagpila ni. Kasi sabi ko sa kanya, tag. Walang tag. Yung pala, how much yun. So, it's the same thing. So, parang ano siya, like, pag sinasabi niya, like, how much? Yeah, I know that. Asa. So, unsa is what? Asa is where? Asa. Bahay. Asa bahay. Bibble me. Live. Lami kayo. Lami kayo. Pag sinabi bang AA, kaayo. Alam ko na! Kayo ko na! Kaun, chicken, lami kayo. Kaya ko na! So, this Google is something else. Guwapo. Guwapo is also Mexican, di ba? Spanish. Guwapo, guwapa. Guwapa. Wow, mga unta. Let's eat. Ginutom, gigu. The fuck? Unsa, what the fuck? Gigutom na ako. Gigutom na ako na dili. I just nangaon na chicken. Giuhaw ko. What is gi? Is it, pag sinabing gi, ikaw? Like, giuna ka. Parang sayo magbisaya. Oh, ito Tagalog din to eh. Busog na ako. Busog, yes. Oh, pwede to. Kapag madaming chicken, sabi mo, wala ko'y gana. Wala ko'y gana, bro. Wala ko'y gana. I just ate so many, wala ko'y gana. Kalami sa pagkaon. Kalami sa pagkaon. Chicken, kalami sa pagkaon. Masarap. Lami. Lami kaayo. Oh, lami kaayo. You? No, dili lami. Ang Byron. Ano to? Ang Byron nun, palihog. Alam ko na to, guys. Alam ko na to. Ang Byron palihog. Ang Byron palihog. Dapat ganito. Kasi mahaba. Pero pag ikaw lang mag-isa kakain chicken, ano yun it? Saan ako? Ang Byron palihog. Ganyan lang. Kasi 500 lang. Ano? Diyad, grabe lang 500. 300 lang. Ganun. Pwede mag-take out. That's Tagalog. Bakit sinabi mong Bisaya yung Tagalog yung pwede mag-take out? Pwede. Asata mangaon. Asata mangaon. Asata mangaon. Asata mangaon. Asata mangaon. Asan nga ba yung chicken eh? Marikina. Asan ta mangaon? Dili drive. Marikina. Ganahan ka kain. Marikina, ako drive. Ikaw, bili gas. Unleaded. Cheaper. Oh, di ba? Para akong grade 1. Oh, meron pa. Akala ko yun na. Okay. Mojikan? Mohikan? Like, pag G siya, G. It's letter G. Tapos nakalagay mojikan. Mohikan. Is it AH? Mohikan ko sa... I'm coming from... Mohikan ko sa... Saan nga ba ako? Puta. Paranaque. Ngayon, QC. Mohikan, labas ako, mama ko, Paranaque. Oh my God! Muad. Ano to? Muadto ba ikaw na maintindi. Muadto ko sa saan ba ako pupunta? Sa banyo mamaya. Muadto ko sa banyo. Bakit? Anong gagawin ko sa banyo? Maligo, mag-toothbrush. Kita lang. I know this. Kita lang taon niya. Dapat see you later. Kita lang taon niya. Okay, kaya ko na yan. Naun niya. Nakita lang naun niya. Okay. Asa na naman. Di ba sabi pag sinasabing asa where? Unsa what? Oh my gosh. Asa unsa. Where what? Oh! Okay. Gagamitin ko na yan. Asa ko manawag. That's a church. Asa ko manawag? What? Manaog. Asa ko manaog. Commonwealth. Yeah. Kunwari, jeep. Para po. Asa ko manaog. Kuya! Asa ko manaog. Ano to? EDSA Ortigas. Palihog Ortigas. Yes. Tagpila. Ang plete. Pleat. Tagpila ang pleat. Tagpila ang plete. Pag sinabi mo sa jeep, diba? Asa ko manaog. Tagpila ang plete. 12 pesos estudyante. Sheesh! Let me get my coins out, bro. Let me get my coins. Chill. Okay. Diba? Alam ko na, plete pala is fair. Kaya pala doon sinasabi sa amin, ano lang to? 15 plete. Ganun pala yun. Ang galing. Kala ko plate, like plete, like, ano ba, platelets? Syempre, asa is weird na talaga. Wait, di kita makita. I'm just too invested to this. Sarap pala maging Bisaya, bro. Maging Bisaya na lang tayo. Maging Bisaya na lang. Oo. Which transport will you take me to? Sabihin ko kay kuya driver, unsay sakyan padung. Padung. Unsay sakang padung. Sabihin ni kuya man driver, oh yeah, Manila bro. Okay. Asa ni? Wait lang. Unsa the fuck? Asa ni pang-ingon? Ano to? Bakit naman ganyan kasi mag-Bisaya eh? Ang hirap eh. Asa ni pangaynon? Ha? Asa ni paingon? Padulong. Okay. Sasabihin ko kay kuya driver, padulong? Ay, kuya, padulong. Ay, kuya, asa ni pang... Puta, padulong na lang. Sabihin ko sa kanya, where does this go? Saan tayo bababa? Ganun. See, you're learning too with me. Moagi. Is this going to pass through? Yeah, probably. Unsa ni? Unsa ni? Unsa what I'm doing? Unsa doing me? The fuck? Tagpila. Diba? Yun ang sinabi ng mama ko pag pumunta kami sa mga, palengke, tagpila. How much? Mubayad na ako. Okay. Mubayad na ako. Palihog. Alam ko na. Palihog. Ay. Pwede bang sabihin pag sinabing mubayad na ako, mubayad ka na. Mubayad. Pinagkaon natin. Palihog. Okay. Sasabihin ko kay kuya driver, diba? Syempre, pupunta kami ng Edsa Ortigas. Sabihin ko sa kanya, palihog ko, og sukli. Di ba kaya ko na, alam ko yung sukli eh. Sukli is, change eh. Yeah. Pwede mahunong dili. Pwede mo din sabihin to kay kuya driver. Mahunong, para po. Pwede na, para po. Bukay na ina. Pwede, mahunong diri. Mahunong diri. Palihog. Yuhu! Pasensya na. Wala ako'y sinisilyo. Pasilyo? Alam ko yung pasensya na eh. Pasensya is sorry. Wala ako'y sinisilyo. What is sinsilyo? Sincere? Pasensya na, wala akong sinsilyo. Akala ko ba sukli yung... Sabi daw kasi dito, pasensya na, wala akong sinsilyo. Tapos sa English, sorry, I don't have small change. Pero naman, pasensya, wala akong sukli. Okay, pwede. Wala na. Sobrang dami na nito. Gigutom na ako. All this reading, giuhaw ko. Yeah. Pwede ko sabihin to. Me reading Bisaya language, wala ako'y gana na. Ano pa bang pwede? I'm just rambling my words here. Mamaya after live, wala na akong masabi. Pero this is so good. Pasayloa. How do you say that? How do you say I'm sorry or excuse me? How do you say that? Like, nakalagay dito Pasayloa. Pasaylo. Pasay City? Ganon? Pasayloa ko? Pasayluwa. Pero kung maging mataray. Pasayluwa, bro, bitch. Give me some Kanye West type shit. Like, pasayluwa ko. Matigas yung A. Pasayluwa. Ganon, pasayluwa. Oh shit, hindi ka pwede maging mataray. Pasayluwa ko. Pasayluwa. Hirap maging matari sa Bisaya. Hirap. Kasi diba? Ah! So cute. Bro, that is actually so cute. Madami sa TikTok. Yeah, I like it. I feel like I'm so done with reading TikTok. Ay, TikTok. Bisaya. Hirap pala. Hirap Pag pumunta na ako Rojas, I know what to say na. Sabihin ko, uy, marunong na ako mag-Bisaya. Halihag. Yun. And then I'm still gonna forget. Pero my word of the day is unsa the fuck. Yes. Di ba pwede yun, di ba? Wait. Zero. Wait. Wait lang. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Okay. Ang galing. Ang galing. Reminder, Bisaya is descriptive. What is that supposed to mean? Ano lang. It's nice to read Bisaya words. Kasi my mom is Bisaya and I don't know, jack shit the way she's, like, I just pupunta, ano pa ba? Wala na eh. Yun na yun eh. Wala na. Hindi ko na kaya. AV, real na ikaw ba yung nasa link? Yes, I am. Chest, dughan, bedbug, wow! May vocabulary sa lahat. Gabi. Yeah. It's like you practice. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Pero konti lang talaga. I feel like I would practice with my mom. Yeah. Gingon, I said. Yeah, wala na talaga ako mapiga. Is Bisaya Cebuano the same? I don't want to be racist, but I am. But like, is Cebuano and Bisaya the same? No! Whoa. Yes, but without L. Kala ko same lang. Pala hindi. Okay, sheesh. Cebuano for people. Like, do you guys have like, Cebuano for people. Like, yung mga taga-Cebu. I don't get it, shit. Like, anong tawag sa aming mga Tagalog? Manila. Bisaya are more from Visayas. Ano yung kami? NCR. Oh, shit, we're so basic. Ang basic namin. Taga saan kami? NCR. Yak! Ang basic namin. Katagalogan. Problema nyo na yan, te. Ang basic namin, pangit. Polluted pa kami dito. Ay, she's wala na. Problema na lang ako sa buhok namin ni Bibble. See? He's cute. So cute. Bro. I need to, like... Bro, ano nga ulit yung I'm thirsty? Giuhaw. Yes, bro. That made me feel thirsty from all reading that phrases. Punta ka ba dito sa Visayas? Pwede. Which part though? Is Visayas, Iloilo din ng Visayas, no? Tapos minsan, Rojas is also Visayas. Mindoro is also Visayas. Is it? Or is it still part of Luzon? Yeah, probably Boracay too. Pero I feel like so much hindi na maganda sa Boracay because dami ng taong pupunta. I'm just saying. Like, y'all need... I mean, if there's a Chinese dito sa live, just pakisabi sa mga fellow... Sorry, inaano ko yung eyebrows ko. Sinusuklian. Like, if may Chinese dito and then you're also Bisaya, sabihin mo sa Chinese mo, sa mga ibang Chinese sa Boracay, ay, alis, wala, umalis na kayo. Like, I don't know why. So many. Like, dapat dapat visitors lang talaga yun sa Boracay. It's like, it's supposed to be a resting, staycation, paradise. Not to live. Just the workers. Wala, ano gawa nila? Wala pala kayong ginawa. I'm so sorry. Alis, mamaya, hawa. Mamaya, I'm gonna hawa mamaya. Di ba, ang galing ko nang konting-konting pang practice. Uy, pwede, mayroon ditong gangsta. Hold up. Bisaya can refer to a group of languages spoken in the Visayas, not just one. Bisaya mo si Mama. Yes. Butchered. There's so many. Pero grabe ang dami. Ito pala yun. Halok. This is halok. Halos. Hambog. Ang dami. May mga naiintindihan din ako. Hidlaw means yearn. That's so cool. You probably didn't even know that yearning is hidlaw. Alam ko na to. Higda. What time is it? It's time to higda. Diba? Kayang-kaya ko lang. Pag naging 10K ito, alis na ako. Yung likes. Pag naging 10K ito, alis na ako. Ilonggo mga ancestors ko, malalambing makipag-away. Malalambing makipag-away. Okay, gagawin ko yan. Okay. What? How? You're just giving me mixed signals. Kayo yung nagpaumpisa ng mixed signals. Kayo mga Ilonggo. Like, kayo yung mga parang galit ka ba sa akin? Or sweet ka. Pero mo sabihin na, I hate you. Mixed signals. Pero rin, paano mga Ilonggo magalit? Kayo, ano ba pwede? Dapat to kasi kapag wala! May nagla-like! Pag to naging 10K, alis na talaga ako. Ganito. Ba't kasi sinabi mo yan? Gagawa ko ng scenario na parang galit ako, pero hindi ako galit, pero galit ako. Mga Ilongga, talaga. Tatalon ka? Or ako tatalon para sa'yo? Bumaba ka dyan! Ganon. Kung papatay mo sarili mo, ako nung gagawa. Ganon. Ano ba? I don't know how you guys do it. I don't know. 8 na. I'm gonna go back. How do you say goodbye? How do you say goodbye? In Bisaya. Oh my fuck. Unsa the fuck? Goodbye in Bisaya, brother. Ay, paalam din, bro. Paalam. Bye-bye. Sabi daw dito, bye-bye is the most common direct way to say bye in Cebuano. Hagto sa susunod. Hangtod. Hangtod sa susunod. I don't know why I said this kasi parang tuhod siya. Ampinga. Parang ampinga is like a bad word. Ampinga. I don't know, man. I'm just doing whatever the Google says, bro. Nod ka muna Ilong. Andawan. Wait. Nod ka. Oh, magda-10K na! Nod ka muna Ilong kung makipag-away tapos apply mo. Okay. Amping means ingat. Amping, brother! Amping, ha? That's so sweet. Ang cool palang pakinggan. Like, amping, ha? Ay, kayo, amping, ha? That's so sweet. Anak, amping. Cute. That's so sweet. Happy, amping. Hey, Slipper build is live. Actually, noodle arms. Amping mo din na, ha? The you're so sweet. Yung Bisaya mo, lambingan mo kahit galit ka. Okay. Gets ko na. So, sabi daw dito, kapag nagbisaya ka, Bisaya, yung magalit pero lambing. Okay. Yung sa Ilongga. Yung buntag. Ganun ba? Ay, Jesus. Ilonggo yun eh. Wait. Before I go. Ilonggo words. Shit, wait, hold on. Wait. Hilagay nun. Wait. Wait. Oh, yung pala eh. Meron pala eh. Okay, kunwari galit ako. Ano yung mga ngalan? Kamusta ka? Maayo man. Wait. What the fuck? Bakit ang formal? Ang normal. Ang formal. Ito. I got you. Ano oras ang biyahe pagkadto? Hindi. Ano oras ang biyahe pagkadto? Pila ka oras sa biyahe? Tagpila ang plete pagkadto? Palihog. Lugar lang. Ano yan? Please pull over. Lugar lang. Pag gusto mo, sabihin mo, stop the car. Lugar lang. Lugar lang. At dapat mabilis. Fuck. Unsa the fuck? I don't know, bro. Di ko na kaya. Walang sentence. You know what I mean? Walang sentence. Like, wait. Ilonggo words, sentence. Not formal. Bro, bobo nito ni Google eh. Cause I can't get by with Shovek. It ain't none of your business. Wait. Walang meaning. So, binibigyan niya ako ng words, walang meaning. What if makancel ako? Shit. Dili, di nang saksayan sang taxi. Ma'am, it's 300. 300? Wow. Kay mahal. Paano magkadto sa mall? That is, siguro I'm just fucked. Paano, kailangan mo talaga sabihin magkadto? Like, parang sasabihin mo where, makadto sa mall. Oo, that's so, bakit tayo masabihin na lang, paano po pumunta? Like, paano po pumunta sa mall? Saan tayo pupunta sa mall? Like, some basic. Now, this Bisaya, Ilonggo, it makes me like, what? Makaako, creator or God literally means creator or owner of all things. Wow. Buhawi, tornado. Ang dami, bro. I don't wanna do this anymore. Okay, wag na. Ayoko na. I wanna do bad words. Bisaya. Bad words. Bisaya. Before I end this live, I want some swear words. Oh shit, buang. It's like it bounces, boing 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 boing. But like you just say it like buang ka. Kabuang. Dilly. Oh, piste. Oh, meron pa. Variations so not to be obvious. Piskot. Peace. I know this. Yawa refers to a person. It means devil, evil. Yawa. Shish, yawa. Kuyawa. Oh, wait. Kuyawa means dangerous or amazing. So pwede mo sabihin, Kuyawa. Oh, shit. I know my shit. Yawards. Yawas. Oh, so swear din? Swear din sa Bisayo, animal? Ah, okay. Animal? I'm a pig. Buang, buang. Fuck! Amaw. Fool. Amaw ka. Amawa. Amawa. Gyud ni mo, oy. Inamaw. Tama. Inamaw. Inamaw man ng imo. Inamaw man. Fuck. Inamaw man ng imo. Inamaw namang imo. Sabi daw, what you did is plain foolishness. Yan. Atay. 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 Liver. Bad words pala yun. Ataya. Giatay. Giatay na. Oh my God. Patay? Atay? Patay? Atay? Why do you mean say atay, bro? Atay means liver. Oh, meaning is liver nga. What is full again? Amaw. Amaw. I thought atay means patay or it's just liver. I was just overthinking shit. Amaw. Amaw di amaw mi dili amaw. Taya ni mo uy. Taya ni mo uy. What is that? Yun pala yung this small, okay. Kayata. Akala ko, utsa the fuck? May kayat. Kayata. Kayata, bro. Kayasa. Sheesh! Kayata. Pistian way bastasan. Way buang animala ka. Sheesh. That is a yun palang bad words nyo. That's only wait. Ang sobrang bad words nyo, sobrang liit. There's a buang, piste, yawa, animal, amaw, atay, kayata. That's it. That's it. Ahak. Ahak. Oh, sa Bisaya pala yung shisha. Shisha ball. Ganyan na, what the fuck? What the hell? That is bad. Bad yan. Bogo. Hindi, bogo. Bogo. Voice it. I like this. Shut the fuck up. Iyong imong mama. Ayoko na. Iyota imong mama. Kayata. Alam ko na. Wait lang, meron pa. Sabi daw dito, fuck man, you're so lazy. Kaya takabay palpak man ka. Kaya takabay palpak man ka. Real shit. Mic drop. Litzy. Leche plan. Litzy plan. Pistika. That is so basic. Pistika? It doesn't hurt me. Does it? Oh. Ay, ang sakit neto. Uwagan. Sakit. Para sinabi mo sa babae, uwagan. Shish. Yawa. Wala na. Yun na yun. Ang dami pala eh. Sabihin ko lahat to. Ahak ki ahak, baho ka bisong. Ano yan? Namin niya mababo yung bastos. Baho ka bisong. Ang baboy. Baho ka bisong, bro. Sheesh. Oh! Ito, masakit to. Masakit to. Bilat sa imong mama. Bilat sa imong ina. Wow! That is... Sakit nun ah. Paano nilidamay mama ko? Bisong. This bisong, it is, it speaks what it wants. I'm a bad bitch. Bogo. Ito pala yun. Kaya pala sinasabi ng mga dati sa mga Manila, borikat. Pala yun. Bruh. Feeling Bisaya, hindi naman bagay sa kanila. Puro sila borikat. Mukha nila borikat. I'm like, why do you keep on saying that? Oh my God. Shit. Wala na. Wala na akong makitang, swear words. Ilonggo. Ito na talaga yung palambing. Malambing! Hindi ko naman to alam. Kung sa Bisaya, bogo, stupid. Sa Ilonggo, hangag. Ano kaya masakit? Bogo! Na. Ba. Hindi. Hangag. Uy, hindi talaga masakit eh. Wala. Oh! Mas masakit to. Sa Ilonggo. Agitot. Masakit yun. Bugok na ikaw. Alam ko, ang dami kong parang feeling ka, sorry. I'm saying bad words. Demonyo ka, panulay ka. Okay, this is the muhal. Everything, the muhal. Ayoko na. Stop na. Okay, I gotta bounce. Yeah. Hindi nga ako marunong mag-Bisaya eh. Yeah. Pero ang pinaka favorite kong Bisaya na swear words, probably isa lang. Di sabihin ko, di ba? Iyota, imong mama, papa, sister, brother, imong, alam mo yung mga ganyan, parang lahat, burika, koyota, sagad, break it down. Yun lang favorite ko, kasi parang sa Tagalog, we're just meh. Ano lang kami, basic. Mga swear words na PI. This is like so basic. Like, mas masakit pala mag-Bisaya pag natanggap ka naman gano'n. Tapos mabilis sila. Ikaw talaga, ugali mo. Masakit. Kaya, di ba? Kaya ka nanonood ng live ko. Kasi, kaya takabay, palpak man ka. Lana. Okay, I need to go. Yeah, I have to go. Yeah, I need to go. Kanta na lang ako. Pero, I'm gonna end the live kasi wala eh. Init sa lahat ng pag-Bisaya, sobrang init naman. Kaya ko nung mag-Bisaya, pero hindi ko kaya yung konyo na Bisaya na parang, what do you call this? Yung Bisaya na parang malambing. Ew. Like, inaantay makuha ko Wait, you seriously want me to do Ilongga accent? Just for you, bro. Just for you.
I-appreciate nyo naman kami mga Ilonggo. Nagtatagalog kami para sa inyo. Mga lintik.
Oh, parang pinapagalitan niya ako, brother. Tingnan mo.
Sana, kayong mga Tagalog, no? I-appreciate nyo naman kaming mga Ilonggo. Nagtatagalog kami para sa inyo. Mga lintik ka mo, yawa.
Oh, sakit nun! Tinawagan niya akong lintik. Ba't si lintik yan? Like, lamok? Hindi pala masakit. Hindi pala malasakit. Ilonggo accent. What the hell? So they have that slight, bro, that's kind of it, may flow sila. Nakakarindi pala yun. Pag nagkaroon ako ng Ilonggo na, sobrang nangyari, parang, why are you talking in airflow, like, you know what I mean? Sa mama ko, grabe, machine gun eh. Blah, 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 blah. Mommy here talking in Bisaya, in Ilongga. But I think I had enough. Wala pa nag-aaway dyan. Wala pa nangangaway sa akin kasi ako yung nangangaway. Ako yung nangangaway. Wait, I'm so lazy na tuloy. I was gonna do something eh. Bye! Amping ha. You. Ang alam ko lang, where? Asa. Is it the same? Paasa? Pa where? Kausapin mo si Mommy Bisaya, look what she reaction. Tas bad words. Oh, grabe, papaluin ako nun. Kurutin ako nun. She's gonna be like, what unsa the fuck you're saying, bro? What? Kalimutan bad words. Oh, there's something in my eye. Pero yeah. I gotta go. Wag bad word. Narinig naman ni Mommy last live. Yeah. This sweater is a bit long. See? Yeah. This was given by Pa-Shout Down Jazz. Yan na. Binigyan na ng shutdown. Jazz! Haba ng sweater. Yes, it is. It was given by my boyfriend. Well, bilingual already. Well, you're bilingual already. Oh my gosh! That is... Thank you! Salamat! Salamat! I can't read. My eye. Yeah. Amping langga. What is langga? Langgam? You calling me aunt? Langga means singwang pala, no? Love, ganon. Nabuang na ako dito, kakabisaya, bro. Okay, before you go out, can you shout out me? Say hi. Okay. Okay. Shout out kay Jo Marie. Thank you for staying in this live. I really enjoyed it. Oh, sana naman, screen record niyo yun. Magpapa-shoutout kayo, hindi may screen record. Ako pa mag-uulit, ha? Dami talaga, Kayang-kaya ko na magalit ng Bisaya. Just give a little bit of time. It will marinate to me. Okay. Ay, paulit daw. Ayoko maulit. Yeah. Okay, amping na talaga. Amping. Amping na. Sana may AB Learning Bisaya Part 2. We'll see. Bye. Bye. Ayoko na! Ayoko na! Let's get to it. Okay, bye-bye. Ano ba yan? Bigyan niyo ako ng time to go out na. Okay, bye. I'm so sorry, but I have to go.